Good morning. This is Pamela Krim, your proud head mama. Today I'm running with Cindy, and I want to share with you her story of inspiration and motivation. Mamas, if you have an excuse, I'm going to clear that up for you. Cindy is the mother of 5 children. The oldest one is 9 years old. Cindy started training for her first marathon when her 4th baby was only 5 months old. On her marathon day, the baby was 10 months old. Breastfed the baby before the marathon, ran 26.2 miles, breastfed the baby afterwards. That's incredible. She's now had baby number 5, who's 9 months old. She ran 15 miles with me today, by my side, every step of the way. She's running her 2nd marathon in Las Vegas later this year. So what's your excuse, mamas? Get out there, be your best, so you can give your best. Have an awesome day. Bye.